You often use Moleskines or similar sized notebooks at work, while studying, as a travel journal or a sketchbook. We thought, how could we make your everyday carry a bit more personal? Introducing the Hudson Leather cover. We beautifully crafted it from full-grain leather. Your notebook cover can be personalized as well with classic or gold monogram. Smartly designed to have a cutout, where you can take out the original elastic closure of your notebook to act as a lock for the cover. As you finish one notebook and switch to a fresh one, you'll notice that over time, the leather cover ages beautifully, forming a lovely patina. Scratches that form on this type of leather can be easily rubbed off, which makes this extra special. As you take notes or write memoirs of your travels and adventures, you can keep the pen with you, which also acts as a second locking system. Additionally, there are multiple slots where you can stack up your business cards and keep refilling them as you hand them out during meetings. Another amazing way to use this is as a cover for the current book you're reading at your favorite cafe.